Look, women like to not be obvious. They're not gonna come to you very rarely and say, yo, I like you, I wanna sleep with you, I wanna go on a date. That never happens. So you need to learn how to pick up the signs which are gonna be non-obvious, so to give you the green light to go up and approach her and know you ain't gonna get rejected because she likes you, bro. Top into this. 1, she looks put together around you. Again, you have to pick up the cues, right? Every time she's around you, whether it's at work, an outside work event, or at school, bro, the good one's the gym. If you notice that every time she pulls up to the gym with her hair done, nice ponytail, makeup on, yo, this girl's not here to get a sweat on. She's here to impress someone. And if she does this around you consistently, this is a good sign that she's trying to look good for you. 2, she exposes her body around you. What this means is that there's certain areas of your body that are sexual, right? Your neck, the clavicle area. If she opens up if her body language is open wide to you, that means there's 0 reservations. She has full trust. Matter of fact, if you really read her body language, depending on the situation, she probably wants you to get closer. The neck one is easy. See, the neck, we're naturally wired to protect this area. This is why you usually tuck or make yourself small. Even when you box, you tuck your chin in, right? This is an area of danger. You don't want to mess with that area. But in sexual situations, there's a lot of blood that flows here. It gets pumping. This is a hot zone. This is where you like to get kissed, etc. If you notice that while you're talking to her, she exposes her neck, and a good way that she'll do this is she'll throw her hair to the other side, exposing her entire neck and side region while she's talking to you. This could be a good sign amongst other signs that she's interested in you. 3, she holds eye contact and smiles. Whether it's from across the room or close up, if a girl actually holds eye contact, count to like 3 Mississippi, 1 Mississippi, 2, all the way up to 3, make it a 3-second hold, and she smiles, she likes what she sees. See, especially when it's close. When it's close, the sexual chemistry you're gonna feel when you're looking into another woman's eyes and she's holding the gaze, bro, you can feel it. Now, if you wanna level it up, I say, wear a pair of glasses. I always talk about this. When you're outside, you're wearing a pair of frames. Not only do you look good, when you're holding that eye contact, it's like you reserve a little mystery to yourself. Now you're in a position of where you not only look attractive, she can't see your eyes. And we know the eyes are a very personal region. And because you're reserving that, especially initially, it adds to that mystery. It adds to that sexiness. And I'm telling you, boys, getting a pair of J Blacks will be the best decision you ever make. Not only because it's a style piece and, well, you're going to look more stylish, but because it's a secret weapon. It makes you attractive. It makes you look more mysterious. And you already know, our glasses use some of the best materials in the world. Italian handmade acetate, stainless steel construction. Yo, these frames could easily be worth $150, $200. And I'm telling you this because the materials that we're using come from the exact same factory high-end designers are using. I know how much they're paying, yet ours are crazy affordable. Bro, right now, today, if you buy 2 pairs of sunglasses, yo, check, these are the modernists. These are our geometrical club masters. Yo, these 2 frames right here, bro, this is more than enough. This is more than enough to have a killer collection. So I'll tell you what, if you pick up 2 frames, let's make them these. These are sexy, bro. Like, these will look good on anyone. You pick up the modernist and our geometrical club masters, which I'm going to have linked down below. I'm going to gift you a pair of sunglasses. So you'll have a total of 3, but you'll only pay for 2. And this is only going to last the next 24 hours, giving you the sexiest sunglass collection you'll ever have. 4, she tries to be physically close to you, always around. She's always in the area. She initiates the conversations, the touches, the giggles, the grabs. This is her way of flirting. 5, she asks about your dating life. She'll ask, yo, are you seeing anyone? Is it serious? And even if you are in a relationship, she'll still ask, how's the relationship going? Not because she cares, not because she's a great friend. She's waiting patiently on the sidelines. She's creating that rapport with you. A good way to test this is also on social media. Anytime you post with a girl, and it could be just, yo, you guys went on, it doesn't have to be your girl. It could be some random girl friend that's actually a friend that you're going out for a cup of coffee or you're going for lunch. Just post her hand or something. I guarantee you she will be in those stories. She will be viewing what you're doing. She's going to be alert. And that's because she cares about your relationship status. 6, she looks away when she talks to you. This was super subtle, and it depends on personalities, but for the most part, on average, let's take 70% of women, tend to do this, right? When you're having a conversation with her. So when you're talking to her, she's gazed on you, locked on you, she's fully locked in, she's mesmerized, she's in love. But when she talks to you, she'll slightly look away. She'll look to the side, right? She'll talk in a softer voice. She's trying to make herself look more delicate. And most of the time, she's a little nervous when she's in front of you. She'll look down and to the side. This is her just being nervous. This is a good sign that she likes you. The sign you don't want is that she's talking to you. So she's the dominant one. She's looking straight into your eyes. And when you talk, she's looking right past you. She's looking at the wall clock. She's looking at her phone. She's looking right past you because she has no interest in you. It's like a very slight variance. But when you notice it, I'm telling you, it's a strong sign. She's into you.